Hi everyone, my name is Henna Mehta. I'm co-founder and CEO of Basis. At Basis, we're building a full-stack financial services platform hyper-focused on the urban Indian woman. Our app has crossed over 2 lakh downloads, and we're excited to build curated financial services for women, powered by education and communities. We recently launched India's first card for women. It's called the Power Card, and we've built the first rewards ecosystem in the country for women. So we've partnered with around 40 women-run, women-focused brands, and as you spend on the Power Card, you have incentives that actually work for you as a woman. It's been exciting to be part of the Bharat Fintech Summit today. I was on a panel where we talked financial services for women in general, with a focus on credit for homemakers specifically. And it was great to get together. I'm so glad in-person conferences are back. I think the energy, the excitement just doesn't happen on the Zoom conferences that we've all been a part of over the last 2 or 3 years. Great to see other folks from industry, a lot of connects, a lot of conversations around how folks can just partner up to create a more thriving ecosystem, a more inclusive ecosystem for financial services and the end consumer overall.